I think some of the reasons that I think consensus decision making is the path we should be trying is that we make better decisions because we actually have heard people's concerns and tried to address them. If the alternative is to either have like somebody be like the director and make the decisions or majorities vote, then we are just agreeing to like not address lots of people's concerns or leave out people who are in the minority. And that could mean we're leaving out people who have experiences that really matter to our community, but are just not the bulk of the people in our group. I think it produces better implementation because we're part of making the decision, so we're willing and interested in implementing it. We were heard, even if we didn't get our number one, we got to talk about and hear why, like it's worth it to move forward with something that's like maybe good enough for us, like most people can mostly agree to. And I think that the skills produced by doing consensus decision making together really matter. I think they help us learn how to be cooperative, how to be collaborative, and to create a group atmosphere that fosters cohesion and connection. Ultimately, when we're practicing consensus decision making, we can learn the skill of being like, rather than being right or winning a vote, I want to hear what other people think about my proposal that's different so that I can make it better, so we can make it better. So rather than like, I brought it and I want to get Dean's idea through and I want to steamroll anyone who disagrees with me, I'm instead saying, here's this idea. Let's make it better together and then do something that's the best possible thing with all of our wisdom. So I'm not owning this proposal. I'm just like, I'm initiating this and then I'm letting it get tweaked and massaged and improved by everybody's at best ideas. And then when it gets to a place that we can all live with, we go, and then at any point when we've made a decision that way, we can revisit it. We can be like, oh, I want to propose that we change what we all agreed to last time because we've learned this new information or it's not working out. And then we bring that proposal. And so there's this sense of learning and growing instead of winning. I think that is at its best what consensus can allow.